TCL S55 2.1 channel soundbar. Main features are TCL S55H, often referred to as the S55 or S55HE, is a 2.1 channel home theater soundbar designed to deliver cinematic scale in a compact footprint. Packing up to 220 W of maximum peak power, it relies heavily on AI-driven acoustic calibration and dedicated mechanical bass chambers to maximize lower frequency output. Dual decoder support fully processes Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X multi-dimensional audio files to recreate an enveloping soundstage from a single horizontal bar. Dual horn echo chambers houses discrete left and right internal acoustic waveguide chambers that amplify internal bass, bringing the standalone bar's low-end response to a 50 W subwoofer equivalence. Wireless subwoofer includes a standalone, texture-finished 120 W peak power wireless subwoofer featuring a 5.5-inch driver and a built-in Skyline breathing status light. UKP diaphragm and suspension, built using high-induction large magnets paired with a rigid UKP diaphragm to eliminate high-volume distortion. AI sonic adaptation uses built-in sensors to actively map out the room's boundary walls and furniture layout, tuning the phase and frequency responses instantly via the TCL Home app. HDMI HDMI 2.1 transmits lossless object-based audio formats directly from your TV using a single included high-speed cable. Wireless legacy ports houses Bluetooth 5.3 for direct, high-bandwidth music casting from smartphones alongside optical, USB, and 3.5mm AUX analog inputs. Sleek, perfectly sized, premium feel. Intentionally designed by TCL to be the perfect size.